to grab onto the branch.
Oh, that was a close one. But I'm okay.
Kinkajous have strong tails that help them hang from branches. Yay! Thanks for helping us get past the muddy tree forest.
You're good at walking like a Kinkajou. Uh-oh, that sounds like harpy eagles. They must be waking up.
Kinkajous are afraid of harpy eagles. Kinkajous can hide in tree holes. Help Papa Kinkajou hide. If you see a harpy eagle, yell, "Harpy eagle!" The Kinkajou heard you and hid. If you see a harpy eagle, yell, "Harpy eagle!" All right! If you see a harpy eagle, yell, "Harpy eagle!" Yay! You helped Papa Kinkajou get away from the harpy